One part of you is saying, if I just get a nagging into me, these feelings will be gone again. You down a few drinks and you're thinking to yourself, my God, this is what normal people feel like. I'm fucking free. I feel brilliant, like I'm invincible. Nothing can stop me. It was the perfect drug for anxiety.
Ní le sé an alcohol nim ní. Tá takeíocht difriúil de anseoirt imní a tá seonta táhairtú gin a bheith cuairtú léas tú hain.
That night, 4 or 5 naggins, maybe 10 cans, bottle Buckfast, wine. I'm surprised they could even walk, never mind get up on a motorbike, but... When you're brought back to that day and you're brought back to what you've done to yourself and what you've done to John, I feel extremely guilty. You can't find words to express it, I suppose, to express what that was like.